Hi, I'm Craig O'Neill with Teledyne FLIR. I'm here to show you the unboxing of the FLIR G Series optical gas imaging camera. The FLIR G Series lineup of cameras has some unique features. First, for those of you that travel in long distance and don't want to carry the case comes now with wheels so that you can easily move the camera from point to point by actually just dragging the camera just like you would a standard luggage. The new G Series optical gas imager from FLIR has a number of features. Some of those are standard in the FLIR optical gas imaging family, like an articulating handheld pod so that you can look at all angles that you need. An articulating eyepiece so that if I need to look up, I never have any back strain, neck strain, whether I'm looking straight up or straight forward. And for those of you that like using the LCD on a FLIR optical gas imaging camera, we have some great new features. One of those is the articulating head on the LCD. This will turn all the way around and even close within the camera so that you could make notes after you save your very valuable videos. Another thing that you can do with the LCD is utilize some new features, like one-touch level and span, which allows you to use the camera in manual level and span adjustment and simply adjust the image for the best contrast where you think a leak may be coming from. The batteries allow an operator to always check the battery capacity by simply touching a button on the battery. This way, before you get out in the field, you can easily know whether your batteries are charged or may need a little more time on the charger. The accessories for your camera include a neck strap, an SD card, an HDMI cable, a USB to USB-C cable, your charger, and international adapters